special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this. You can't really tell from this photo. Stocking stuffer. It is essentially a phone holder. So let me get in here and show it to you. So inside of the box is 2 thumbs up. Oh well, 1, 2. Nothing else in there. So inside of this box is one of them. So that's it for that one. So they give you a little user's manual kind of telling you how to use it. And essentially you would turn these in like this direction, and then it could take you a cell phone and kind of set it in here to be able to hold your phone. Or of course you can have it kind of grab the sides a little bit like that. So that's another way you could use this, but it'd be great for at your desk, great for somebody at their office who wants to keep an eye on their phone. And they give you 2 of them. So you get the blue one, same instructions and stuff, and you get a purple one. No difference from them from what I can see. As you can see, you can adjust and like tighten these and everything, but it's a nice little cute phone stand. It's like a thumbs up, which is pretty darn cool, and it's great for holding your phone. As you can see, I can kind of lean it back if I want to, kind of have a different angle, whatever I may need. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.